Current describes how the electrons, or charge, move around a circuit. The faster the movement of electrons, the higher the current. We can measure the current with a device called an ammeter, circuit symbol A. An ammeter fits into the circuit like so. This allows all the electrons in the circuit to flow through the ammeter, giving an accurate reading. We measure the amount of current in a unit called the ampere. The ampere is named after the French scientist André-Marie Ampere. He was the first scientist to define current and was very intrigued by electricity. We shorten the ampere to the amp. 1 amp means there are 6.2 quintillion electrons passing through the ammeter every second. Let's stick to saying 1 amp. That's much easier. In summary, current describes the movement of electrons. We measure current using an ammeter. Current is measured in amps.